Hi guys, welcome back to channel. In this video, we will discuss about MCQ related to PMR, means proton magnetic resonance. So, let's start the video. First, coupling constant of germinal proton is usually in dash sign. A positive, B negative, C neutral and D both A and B. So we know that coupling constant of germinal proton usually in negative sign. So option B is correct. Second, the NMR phenomenon cannot be shown by dash dash nucleus. A H11, B B510, C C612 and D N715. So we know that the nuclei having even atomic number and even mass number, that nuclei does not show NMR phenomenon. So here carbon 612 having even atomic number as well as even mass number. So option C is correct, which is C612. Third, the proton NMR of 2-bromopropane will consist of A 2 doublet and sixlet, B doublet and septet, C singlet, doublet and triplet, D 2 singlet and triplet. So firstly we will see structure of 2-bromopropane. This is structure of 2-bromopropane in which first CH3 show doublet, middle CH show septet and last CH3 show doublet. This is from n plus 1 rule. So option B is correct, which is doublet and septet. 4. Germinal coupling constant are negative in sign. Their negative value dash dash as electronegativity of substituent dash dash. A increases, B decreases, C increases and D decreases. So you know that germinal constant values are negative, but as negative sign value decreases as negativity of substituent increases. So option C is correct, which is decreases and increases. 5. Which of following hydrocarbon produces NMR spectrum with more than one peak? A methane, B ethane, C butane and D cyclobutane. So firstly we will see the structure of all four options. Here CH3 means methane having no peak because neighboring carbon is absent here. Second one is ethane having one peak according to n plus 1 rule, which is quartet. Third one butane having two peaks, one is triplet and 3 plus 2 5 sextet. Two sextet and two triplets are present there, and cyclobutane having one peak. So option C is correct, which is butane having more than one peak. 6. The state of equivalence between precessional frequency of proton and irradiate ratio frequency is called A flipping, B resonance, C chemical shift and D magnetic nuclei. So we know that the state of equivalence between precessional frequency of proton and irradiate ratio frequency is known as resonance. So option B is correct, which is resonance. 7. When difference in chemical shift divided by coupling constant in hertz is greater than 7 to 10, then dash spectra is observed. A AX2, B AX, C AMX, and B ABX. So when difference of chemical ship divided by coupling constant in hertz is greater than 7 to 10, then AX spectra is observed. So option B is correct, which is AX. 8. The device that generates radio frequencies in NMR spectrometer is called A. Transmitter, B. Receiver coil, C. Electromagnet, and D. None of these. So which generates the device that generates radio frequency in NMR spectrum, that is called as transmitter. So option A is correct, which is transmitter. 9. Using a 60 MHz instrument, the difference in frequency between a TMS absorption and a certain proton in a compound was found to be 120 Hz. What is chemical shift value for absorption in part per million? A. 6 ppm, means part per million, B. 3 ppm, C. 2 ppm, and D. 1 ppm. So this calculation is here. Delta value is equal to delta mu into 10 raised to 6 minus oscillator frequency. So their delta mu is 120 into 10 raised to minus 6, and oscillator frequency is 60 megahertz. So 60 into 10 raised to 6, calculation is 2 ppm. So option C is correct, which is 2 ppm. The ratio signifies a quartet is dash dash A 1:1 1:1 1:1, B 2:1 1:2 2:1, C 2:1 1:2 1:2, and D 1:3 3:2 3:1. So firstly we will see the Pascal rule, Pascal triangle, which signifies the singlet, doublet, triplet, quartet. Here Pascal triangle: singlet 1, doublet 1:1, triplet 1:2:1, quartet 1:3 3:1, and quintet 1:4:6 4:1. So option D is correct, which is 1:3 3:1. 11. 9.5 one hydrogen singlet is characteristics of dash dash proton: A. Aldehydic, B. Monosubstituted benzene, C. Acidic, and D. both A and B. So we know that 9.5 one hydrogen singlet is characteristic property of aldehydic proton. So option A is correct. 12. Coupling constant decreases with dash dash bond order: A. Increasing bond order, B. Decreasing, C. No effect, and D. equal. So as coupling constant decreases with increasing bond order, so option A is correct, which is increasing. If you have any doubt about this, then you can mention it in comment box. Thank you for watching this video.